Happy Monday once again, everyone. Bryan Devore, Devore Realty Group, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties with another Monday market moment. And this week, we're going to answer the question, where are the hot pockets? Not the food, but the pockets of San Diego County that are the hottest for real estate. We'll get to that in just a moment, but first, let's look at the totals. Right now, we have 3,572 homes for sale. Big increase from last week, over 192 more homes on the market right now than there were a week ago. The median list price, no change, $1,050,000. Average days on market, 42, one fewer day than last week. Pending sales up slightly by 5 to 2287. Median list price, $899,000, $350, higher than it was the week before. The average days on market, 25, one more day than last week. The months of inventory continues to climb. We're at 1.75, still well within seller's market territory of under 3 months, but it is going up. Here's a chart showing total actives and total pendings. You can see the upward trajectory since the beginning of April. We've seen a steady increase, partially because of more homes coming on the market, and partially because with rates being stubbornly high, we have fewer homes in demand, fewer homes selling, so inventory does creep up. And you can see the total demand or total number of pendings roughly the same as it was last week, pretty much a flat line over the last few weeks. Since last week, we saw 875 homes come on the market last week, 38 more than last week. The median list price of those homes, $989. That's higher than it was the week before. New pendings, 406, 47 fewer than last week. So we saw 38 more homes come on the market last week than the week before, and 47 fewer homes went pending, going in that kind of opposite direction for sure. Median list price, $944, higher than the week before. Average days on market, no change, still 19 days is the average. New pendings listed within the last week, 16. New pendings listed within the last 2 weeks, 210. So 4% of homes sold in a week or less. And the week before that, it was about 6%. But it's still about the same for homes selling in 2 weeks or less, about 52%, a little more than half. So we're still selling fairly quickly, just more homes coming on the market and about the same demand. How many homes closed last week? 359, 31 fewer than last week, so about 10% drop or so. Median list price, $949,900, which is higher than the week before. Median sales price, $960, also higher than the week before. Average days on market, one fewer day, 18 days. The least expensive sale was in Escondido, $189,000. The most expensive sale was in Cardiff by the Sea, $7.6 million. Here's a chart showing new actives, new pendings, and new closed sales. And you can see over the last few weeks, the big jump in the number of new active listings. It went down a couple weeks ago, went up again this week. And then we can see the new pendings a little bit higher. So we have seen a positive movement in that direction. A little surprising that homes are still selling, but a lot of them are selling with cash. So there, people who are paying cash aren't as subject to interest rate situations. Here is the chart showing the median list price and the median sales price. You can see it's the highest it's been really all year. So the prices are going up. So when people talk about, well, I'm going to wait until more inventory comes on, or I'm going to wait until rates come down. Well, prices keep going up at this point. All right, where are the hot pockets? Well, we're going to look at Stephen Thomas's reports on housing from a couple of weeks ago, and we can look at market time to really see what markets are moving the fastest by looking at the current actives and the demand, last 30 days pending. So we can see what that ratio looks like and which ones are selling the fastest. For example, in Alpine, 13 actives, 11 went pending in the last 30 days. Kind of a hot market. And you can see market time based on days, 35. It is higher than the average days on market, but still about a month or so. Bonita, not quite selling as fast, 53 days. And you can kind of see why, almost twice as many actives as there are pendings. And then you look at places like Carlsbad, where you have 139 actives, 79 pendings, market time is 53. But actually, if you look at a deeper dive at price points, and some price points in Carlsbad are selling super fast, but there are also a lot more higher priced homes there as well that mix in $2-3 million homes, and they take longer. Downtown, 196 to 43. A lot more actives than pendings, And guess what? Market time, 137 days. Definitely a correlation of market time with supply and demand. You can see the rest of the cities here as well. Hamul, for example, 16 versus 6. La Jolla, 101 versus 34. Julian, 27 actives and only 7 pending. That's why it's 116 days is the average market time. But then you look at areas like, let's take a look at Paradise Hills, only 24 days for the average. So some of these areas are selling much faster than others. Again, the hot pockets. And then the last page here, the rest of the county, the rest of the cities. For example, San Ysidro, 3 actives, 5 pendings. More pendings than actives, 18 days on market. Tierra Santa, 7 actives, 16 pendings. That's why it's only taking 13 days for homes there to sell. So if you have a home in Tierra Santa and you're thinking about selling, now may be a really good time to do that. Okay, real quick, vacation version of the Monday market moment. I teased last week that I am going to be going on vacation. The only time I missed the Monday market moment in the past was when I went on vacation for my honeymoon a couple years ago. I'm going away again, not for a honeymoon, but for a vacation with my wife and some friends. We're going to be gone for a couple Mondays. So May 16th and May 13th we'll be gone. We'll be gone longer than that, but those are the Mondays we're going to miss. I will still have a Monday market moment, however. We won't have a video like we have now, and we won't have the stats on the weekly changes. However, we will have Stephen Thomas's reports on housing. I'll put in there for the first week the supply and demand situation so you can see those charts. And the following week, I'll put more of a breakdown of market time and sales and so forth. So you'll still get a Monday market moment that will still come out. And we'll have some fun facts when we return from my trip so you can guess where I went on vacation. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Don't forget to scan the QR code to track your home's value. If you have any questions about this information or you want that report that was in this week's video, feel free to give me a call or send me an email or a text. Happy to help. Bon voyage. I'll see you again in the next video in a couple of weeks. But again, you'll still get that Monday Market Moment delivered by 7:30 a.m. on Monday in your inbox. That's it for this week's Monday Market Moment. Hope you have a great day.
Thanks for watching Monday Market Moment with Bryan Devore. To request a transcript of this week's report, send an email to brian@devorerealtygroup.com.